down to Southland. About 20 some odd years ago, I ran away for the first time. Ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back.
You can thank them.
I know every inch of highway, every little back road, every mile railroad track. Well, I got one up in Cincinnati and another in San Antonio. I really love the whole